Hello everyone, on this video we'll work on the characteristics of descriptive and narrative texts. A descriptive text makes you picture in your mind what is being described. Descriptive texts have adjectives and adverbs to create a vivid impression of a person, place, phenomenon, thing or event. They use comparisons and they seek to engage the reader's five senses. Narrative texts seek to tell stories of past events and entertain the readers by means of describing and telling. Now, let's see some examples of a narrative text. Let's see the story, "What Superpower Would You Like Most to Have?" by Ryan Cartwright. The story says, "It was raining. It always rained after craft club. Alice hated that because it meant her artwork either got wet or crumpled as she tried to stuff it in her bag for protection. She looked at Jack, who was inspecting his creation intently." In this paragraph, we can see that it begins by stating the setting. It was raining. It always rained after craft club. After that, we know that Alice does not like that because her artwork gets wet or crumpled. Another example of a narrative text that uses description is this segment of the story. Alice looked at her poster again. She was quite pleased with it, really. It was a picture of Wendy sewing Peter Pan's shadow back onto his feet. She wasn't too happy with the way Wendy had turned out, but using black net curtains as the shadow was a great idea. Jack's door hanger was a picture of Superman flying through space. He'd run a bit short of time and so had cut out Superman's face from a magazine. Only after he stuck it down did he notice the man he had cut out had a beard. Jack snorted as he saw it. In this segment, we can see that to create a vivid impression of the situation that Alice is going through, the author uses several images. For example, the author sets the scene. Alice looked at her poster again, and the author shows how Alice was feeling. She was quite pleased with it, really. Then, the author describes Jack's door hanger by saying that it was a picture of Superman flying through space. The author says that the door hanger had a picture of Superman's face from a magazine, but the picture was a man with a bear. To sum up, descriptive texts use both adjectives and adverbs to picture the image of a person, place, or event in the reader's mind. On the other hand, narrative texts use descriptions to tell stories and past events to amuse the readers.